How to make money on TikTok. Is there anything better than making up to $100 a day watching TikTok videos? I don't think so. When people hear the word TikTok, they instantly think about the thousands of funny and creative videos they see. And if you use the platform, then you understand how hard it is to not get lost in the ocean of content around you. What most people don't know yet is that you can actually make money without having to make videos yourself. You don't have to be a huge creator like Charli D'Amelio or Addison Rae to make money online through TikTok or spend several hours a day doing complicated tasks. All you need to do is continue watching funny TikTok videos like you always do. In this video, we'll be showing you a website where you can make up to $100 a day watching TikTok videos. Many people tend to make costly mistakes when using this method to make money through TikTok, and we definitely don't want that. So, stick with us till the end to learn the best ways to use this method and make boatloads of cash along the way. Since our goal is to help you make as much money online as you can passively, there is a special bonus tip just for you that is guaranteed to skyrocket your earnings. Let's get into it. Even if you've never used TikTok before, there is no way that you haven't heard of it. Since it burst into the scene, it has become a favorite of many and a place where you can show off your creativity or have some laughs after a busy day. Like most social media platforms, what counts on TikTok is the views a video gets, the comments, likes, and the amount of followers a creator has, because that affects how much money they make from the network. Do you know what this means? If you haven't guessed it already, it means that creators who want to make money through TikTok will put in their very best to get attention to their accounts and views to their videos. They could buy followers from different websites or pay people some money to view their videos, like, and comment. This brings us to the website we are going to be using to make money online by watching TikTok videos. AddMeFast.com is a website that helps creators use to boost their social media presence. It works for different social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, YouTube, VK, Instagram, Pinterest, SoundCloud, Telegram, and of course, TikTok. If you scroll down the homepage a bit, you will see that they have over 15.8 million members, which is a good number for a website that specializes in social media marketing and promotion. You can also be paid through credit cards, crypto payments, e-wallets, and more. And a website having different means of payment is always a good thing. You are not interested in boosting your social media presence or anything like that, because all you want to do is make money online using this website. And to do that, you need to register. Start the registration process by filling in your email and password and tick the "I am not a robot" box here. Go to your email to confirm your account, and you have an active account. Go back to the website to log into your account, and you'll be asked to accept the terms and conditions before using the account. Agree to it, and let's get down to business. On your dashboard, click on the menu bar, which is the three-lined thingy at the top left corner over here. You will see the option that says Free Points, and under it, there are a lot of options available to earn those free points. Click on the option for TikTok video likes, and the videos you have to like will pop up. There are a number of points allocated to each task, and you are awarded those points once you have completed the tasks. This takes a couple of minutes at most, and move on to the next option that says TikTok followers. Follow the accounts that come up and have the points allocated to your AddMeFast.com account. Now, this is how the website works. For every 3 seconds video you watch, you get 7 points. If the time you spend watching the video is more than that, the website will award you more points. I know. 7 points doesn't seem like a lot, but imagine watching videos here for up to an hour. You can immediately get up to 12,000 points every hour. The site may ask you to take a very short quiz after watching the video, but this is to make sure that you are not trying to cheat the system and you actually watched the video. From there, the points will be given to you. Once the points have reached a certain number, you can convert them to real money. If you are done watching TikTok videos, you can get more points by completing tasks for other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. No matter where you are or what you do, you can use this website to make money online watching TikTok videos. and you don't have to worry about getting paid because the website has been around for 10 years and counting. We didn't forget about the special bonus tip that we promised to share with you, and we'll be getting into that in a second. Just sit tight and wait for the bombshell we're about to share with you. After TikTok came on the scene, TikTok focused on rewarding creators for their efforts by paying them for the views their videos get. But since 2021, there's a method in place to get rewarded even if you don't have millions of followers, likes, comments, views, or tons of content. This is called TikTok Rewards. TikTok Rewards is essentially a tool that pays you as a non-creator to get people to use the platform. When you join the app, you are given a code that you can send to your friends, family, and the people around you. When they use your link to join TikTok, you get rewarded. You can't send the link to an existing user because the app won't pay you if you do not bring in new users. You will also be rewarded if the person you invite starts watching videos on the platform soon after downloading the app. Before you can make money using TikTok Rewards, you have to be 18 years or older, depending on your country, and the people you invite should be from the same country as you. Also, the people you refer have to join the app within 24 hours after sending the code to them, or you may not qualify for the rewards. You also cannot invite someone that was on the platform before but deleted it for one reason or the other, because TikTok will recognize them as an existing user. Don't know why it's like this, but that's their policy, and you have to follow it if you want to make money online with TikTok Rewards. Finally, one rule that you cannot go against is using dummy accounts. TikTok doesn't like it when people create fake accounts just to get some points for referrals. If the platform discovers that you are using spam accounts, you won't be able to withdraw any of the rewards you have already, and you will be banned from participating in the program. So, you want to try to avoid that. But once you meet all these requirements and start making money, you can convert your referral awards to real money and withdraw it into your account, or use it as coupons depending on the country you are in when using this method. There is no limit to how much you can earn using TikTok Rewards, and you will keep earning money anytime you or your friends you referred complete tasks on the platform. To sign up for TikTok Rewards, open TikTok and go to your profile, Discover, or For You page, and you should see the TikTok Rewards icon or widget there. Click on the rewards icon and you'll be taken to another page. Tap on the coin icon you see there in the upper left corner, and you will find your invitation code and referral link. You can paste this on other social media platforms and invite your friends to the app. With these methods, you can make money every day on TikTok without having any content of your own.